Our free immersive summer camp offers opportunities for creative play and environmental learning for children from low-income families living in New York City's Lower East Side.
You eat this plant and it'll make you really strong. So they figured that out in their story.
We create a community-designed program that encourages personal confidence, leadership, and social and environmental skills.
I think it's a good way to explore nature.
The camp is filled with fun and engaging activities for children, including outdoor play, gardening, arts and crafts, and adventure games.
What do you notice about the bat?
Our camp is a great opportunity for kids to learn more about the world around them, make new friends, and expand their curiosity and creativity.
What is that?
That's a red tail.
We open our gates to allow children to discover the wonders of nature in a safe, fun, and nurturing environment. Join us.